Hello, my care queens. Welcome back for another video. Today's video, we are getting ready for vacation. Me and Alex actually planned on taking a vacation. It's long awaited, honey. Vacations can be real sexy, they can be real fun, they can be real flirty, and I wanted to show you guys all my essentials that I'm gonna be taking with me on vacation because I wanna look good, I wanna feel good, I wanna be good. And if you guys like these types of videos from me, then make sure you smash that thumbs up button. What are you waiting for? And subscribe down below. We are almost at 400K and I would love to have you guys a part of the family. So let's just get into the video and I'll tell you guys everything that I'm bringing with me on vacation. I wasn't even gonna show you guys these yet because I was gonna do a whole video dedicated to nails. Thumbs up or comment down below if you still want me to do that. I kind of wanted to chit chat with you guys about this. So I have been struggling during quarantine. Honey, okay? Like I need nails and I decided I don't really wanna get my nails done just yet because I don't wanna like leave, my cocoon yet. And I thought, what a great idea to get press-ons. Honey, these are a game changer. So they are from Nail Bay. I found these on Instagram and they are going to be my new essential for vacation. I can literally wear these on Monday, these on Tuesday, these on Wednesday, and these on freaking Friday. Oh wait, I skipped Thursday. These on Thursday. But press-ons are the new wave and I'm riding it, okay, all the way to Hawaii. Next up, headphones. Today's video is sponsored by Back Market because, we need electronics even on vacation. This is probably gonna be the only electronic I'm gonna use on vacation because I do think they're super crucial. I'm going to show you guys them. Okay, oh, yes. Can't even hear myself talking, but these headphones right here are the shit. What I love about Back Market is it's one of those companies that is eco-friendly, very sustainable, perfect for all of my gals and guys who don't want to spend top dollar on electronics. I like the noise canceling when I'm sitting on the beach and there's a very chatty family too close to me. I need to tune them out. And I'm gonna be playing Margaritaville. And honestly, I don't think these headphones are out. If anything, they're coming right back in. They're better. They're the perfect airport headphones, airplane headphones. They feel so comfortable. They are better than some of the other top dollar headphones that I own. I'm just obsessed. These are the Sonys. If you guys want to grab your amazing electronics that are sustainable, eco-friendly, and perfect, then make sure that you guys do that. I'll leave the link down below and there is a little discount code in the description box if you guys want to try this out. Let's get into a couple beauty favorites. So you guys already know I'm obsessed with Sol de Janeiro. They actually sent me this scrub and I already knew immediately I was going to be freaking in love with it because duh, it's boom boom cream, like you can't go wrong. And I will be bringing this with me. Look at it. Sometimes I feel like I can't get the exfoliation that I'm necessarily needing on vacation, and this is going to be the one, and it's gonna have me smelling like boom boom cream mixed with tropicalness. There's no better place to be rocking that smell than at a goddamn vacation, okay? I am just not a wig wearer on vacation. I like the slick buns, I like the curly hair. I don't feel like really bothering with my hair on vacation, so my two go-to hair products are going to be the Murray's Superior Hair Dressing Pomade. I picked this up at Target. It's incredible. It's, I think, $3. It's ridiculously cheap. And it slicks down the edges, slicks down the hair. If you guys can tell, my hair is slicked down beach vibes, and it works amazing. So then I also like to pair it with this Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. If you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you don't, do it right now. I kind of gave you guys the whole runaround of my favorite drugstore hair products, and these two are at the top of the list. They are a must for vacation. I love this hair oil because it just has me shiny, okay? Like hair is shining healthy. So moving on, as you guys can see this big hat over here. This isn't really a vacation hat, but your girl's gonna wear it on vacation. Does it fit my head? Absolutely not. Do I care? Absolutely not, but hello, look at that. Hold on. Let's try to actually get that looking good. Okay, do you guys see that? It's so freaking cute. Alex actually wears this hat all the time and I'm like, this is my vacation hat. So I'm gonna be wearing this in a very low pony vibe. Sunglasses on, I'm feeling real cute. You know what I'm saying? Like this is just the vibe. So I love hats for vacation to kind of protect your face. Sunglasses. I'm a sunglass whore. I'm obsessed with sunglasses. I don't even wear the ones that are like that protective for your eyes, but who cares? Like this is just the vibe. So we have the yellow frames. They are from, I believe they're from PacSun or Zoomies. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. They're a must-have to my collection. I actually got these for Alex and then I ended up stealing them back. Yellow is just the color, and I wear a lot of yellow on vacation because brown skin, which yellow, honey. And then another staple is my pink sunglasses. You guys already know if you follow me on any socials that these are the vibe always, 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 always. As you can see, hold on. Let's get it with this. Let's get it with this. Hold on. Yes. Hi. Welcome. I'm feeling it. I'm just obsessed with color recently. I am not jumping on the dull blacks, grays, and nudes bandwagon right now because it's just not the vibe for the summer. Like, I need some color in my life. I love a little nude occasionally, but you need to have a pop of pink with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just need pink. Moving on to jewelry. So I think jewelry on vacation is a must, and I don't think you should ever wear like real jewelry like diamonds or anything like that because you don't want that stuff getting stolen on vacation. So we have a Shop Amy Shahab ring. This one right here, it's a yellow, gorgeous ring. It just looks so good with like the sunglasses. It's beautiful. I actually am wearing one of her rings right now and it has like a heart. And I just love these types of jewelry pieces for vacation because they're a statement piece. They look really good with a nice dress. They look good with a bathing suit. They don't feel heavy on my hand. Like, I don't feel like I'm carrying around a boulder all day long. So I definitely think that they are worth it, worth bringing, and they're inexpensive. They're under $100. So it's not like you're killing yourself having that. And then I also have this gorgeous pinky ring, also from Shop Amy Shahab. Look at that, guys. Like, it's just so cute and simple, and I'm starting to get back into jewelry. I was never a huge jewelry person. Like, I'm a girly girl, but I just forget the detail. And if you're like a detail forgetter, this is a good way to start shopping for jewelry, is getting like cute little rings and necklaces. That's what I like to do. I think if you are going to a tropical vacation spot, you gotta rock the golds. Like, I understand silver is the vibe for a lot of girls, and I think that silver looks really good on my fairer skinned girls. But if you have, you know, a gorgeous melanin of some sort, even if you get like a little bit of a tan, hi, gold. Okay, so these earrings right here are from HRH Collections. They are these gorgeous cross earrings, and I just think they look so good on vacation. They look good when your hair is pulled up. You can wear them like on your second hole. You can wear them on your first. Such a cute statement piece. Let's talk about skincare. So I have been using this Bavara Skincare Eye Serum, CBD infused, for about a few weeks now, and I've been obsessed. I actually ran a giveaway on my Instagram. I love when I find companies that I've never heard of before because I don't think that they are overhyped and are fake and are using nasty products. Like, I really genuinely love this product. So when you're on vacation, you just take a little dab, put it underneath your eyes. You know, you can move it around your cheeks. I like to put it literally everywhere. It's lightweight. It's not overly oily. So it has an eyedropper, and you just kind of drop it down. And I want you to kind of see that it kind of looks like, it kind of goes into the skin almost like water with like a sheen. It's not very oily to where you're gonna break out, and you definitely don't wanna break out on vacation. I am loving the Moroccan Oil Body Night Serum. So what I love about this is it's not a lotion, it's not an oil, it's kind of in the middle. So I like to just pump this onto my hands. It's very, very, very thick, and I rub it in at night or during the day. Honestly, I don't care if it's nighttime or daytime, and it just kind of gives me a nice sheen. What I feel like it does is it helps me with stretch marks, cellulite, all those things, and I love that, and it helps with body skin elasticity. On vacation, I want to feel like I'm doing something for preserving my youth of my skin, so that's what I personally like this for, because it's keeping me youthful, and it also smells like freaking heaven. So hello. My favorite perfume for vacation at the moment is the Way Melrose Place. I've talked about this a few times on my channel. It's a good perfume. It's really small, so it's easy to travel with, and you can honestly move it into like even a smaller container that you can transport it into. And I just am obsessed with the smell. It's sexy, it's elegant, it's classy, it's strong, so it lasts all day and you don't have to continuously apply it. And it's a nighttime and daytime scent, so that's what I love the most about it. This is for my camera. It's a Joby, what's it called? tripod that you hold. So you're gonna want to have your camera with you on vacation and take pictures and videos. And this right here is going to kind of keep your hand still. If you're like me and you have a shaky hand, problematic, we know it's annoying. So I personally love this for just kind of, you know, holding it out like this, taking a photo or taking videos, whatever it may be. And I just think it's so important to have. All right, let's talk about bathing suits. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing one right now, and I also have this gorgeous one, and they are both from Shein. So I am obsessed with Shein's bathing suits. I didn't know this was the wave, but it is now for me. I have noticed so many bathing suits, whether they are high-end or not, they are very much expensive, like hundreds of dollars. And I'm like, okay, I will buy a $100 bathing suit if I'm obsessed with it, but how do I know? Unless I like tried it on, and I can't because obviously everything's online. Well, Shein's bathing suits are literally so cheap. If you want a good quality, affordable bathing suit that actually looks gorgeous on, let me just kind of insert a photo of me wearing this. Hello? Yes, okay, the bathing suits are that good. Okay guys, so that's pretty much everything that I am bringing with me on vacation that is essential. I'm not leaving without these things because I want to look good, feel good, and be good. Again, do not forget to shop Back Market for electronics that are refurbished, amazingly quality made. And yeah guys, if you guys want to see a part 2 to my vacation series, let me know. Maybe I can make like a bathing suit haul for vacation series, or sexy things to bring with you for vacation, stuff like that. Let me know down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.